GetResponse does have automated processes that you can run. If you go to the Tools area, you can click on Automation. What you can then do is you can start the process by clicking Create Workflow. And you can determine what kind of automation you want to run, or you can start from scratch so that you can determine what is available. We are going to click Start from Scratch, and we're going to click Start Now. GetResponse suggests that you do have a landing page, one message, and a registration form. We are going to click Next. We are going to give our automation a name. Now, what you're going to notice about an automation here in GetResponse is that you will start with a trigger, and this is where the process is going to start. And this is what you will have to define in order to set the automation in motion. Now, there are a number of ways to set an automation in motion. There are basic ways. There are also ways that are tag or list specific, so that when you tag individuals in your list, you can set off specific automations based on those elements. So as you begin to look at tags and scoring, as you can see, it can be very important for you to set tags when an individual joins your email marketing list because of what you can do with the automations. So in order to start the process, you are going to need to define an automation to start the process. So for the sake of this video, we're going to choose subscribes, although we can choose any of these elements in order to start a specific automation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.